in fiber cable network between US and Brazil. Tata also own.
Namaste, como vocês estão, dosto? My name is Bettina Heme, Brazil se hum. Welcome to my channel, full of love. And yes, my name is Bettina, I'm from Brazil. And I've been in India. And today's video is very good because it's about Tata business. And it was crazy because when I was in India like 3 years ago, I didn't know about Tata because here in Brazil we don't have it, at least not that I know. But when I was in India, like everything is Tata, like the cars, the food, the clothes, everything is Tata. So like this is super huge. So I came across to this video called Tata's Business Empire. And I'm just curious because I don't know much about it, and maybe this will explain a lot to me. So 1, 2, 3, ta! Okay, Tata. Let's see.
Bombay House. This is a simple looking head office of the Tata Group in Mumbai, India. But Tata Group is anything
I was in
but
Mumbai.
simple.
I have pictures
Started
in that.
as a small trading company by Jamshedji Tata in 1868. Tata Group now has more employees than Toyota, Coke, Facebook, Microsoft, and Google combined. It now operates in
Really?
over 100 countries.
Brazil?
So let's tighten our seatbelts and take a world
I
tour
didn't know.
to witness the remarkable business empire of Tata Group. Our first stop is North America. Here Tata Group owns the luxury hotel Taj Campton Palace in San
Hotel.
Francisco,
Okay.
Taj Boston, and one of the world's finest, and New York's iconic hotel, The Pierre. Tata's Tetley Tea is the second largest tea company in US and largest in Canada. They also own
Ooh,
popular
tea.
brands like Good Earth and America's third largest coffee company, 8 O'Clock Coffee. Tata's
Coffee?
IT service company, TCS,
Brazil
operates
is huge for
24
coffee.
offices in North America. And while their animation and design lab, Tata Elixir, also operates in 8 plus locations in the region. In manufacturing sector, the group operates a soda ash mining company in Wyoming, iron ore mining company in Quebec, Canada, steel manufacturing facilities in Ohio and Pennsylvania, and also a coffee production plant. In all, Tata Group employs over 20,000 people in North America, about
Just
3 times
North
more
America.
than how many people Microsoft employs in India. Now let's travel to South America. TCS employs more than 8,000 people in 8 countries in South America. The
Look,
group
look,
is
look,
also
look.
an investor in the first submarine fiber cable network between US and Brazil. Tata also own world's largest subsea fiber cable network. Today,
Wow.
25% of world's internet routes travel over Tata's subsea networks. From South America,
Is it true?
let's travel to Africa and land in the port city of South Africa, Cape Town. Here, Tata Group owns the historic luxury hotel Taj Cape Town. In nearby Zambia, they own Taj Pamodzi, one of the most luxurious hotels of the country. Tatas also operate 2 wind farms in South Africa and a hydroelectric
huge.
power project in Zambia. The group also owns Jokels, South Africa's third largest tea company. Tata trucks
Tea.
and buses are one of the top sellers in Zambia, South Africa, and Kenya. In manufacturing
Please
sector,
bring some tea to
Tata owns a
Brazil.
chemical plant in Magadi, Kenya,
Masala tea, please.
which is Africa's largest soda ash manufacturer, commercial vehicle assembly plant, and a steel plant in South Africa, and finally a manufacturing and a power plant in Mozambique.
It's huge.
From Mozambique, we will
Mozambique.
move to London, Buckingham Palace, Queen's official residence. Close to the palace, Tatas own the luxurious Taj 51 Buckingham Gate Suites. The hotel also has the world's first Jaguar suite for all the Jaguar lovers.
Really?
Nearby, the St. James Court Hotel is also owned by the group. Tata's Tetley is the largest tea company in the UK. Their other European tea brands include
Every country
Vitex,
has tea,
a
but
popular
not
brand
Brazil.
in Poland,
Why?
Jemka, the market leader in Czech Republic, and Grand, a coffee brand in Russia. Tata Steel is one of Europe's largest steel maker, and TCS has been awarded as the best employer in Europe. Jaguar Land Rover is also owned by Tatas and is the largest manufacturer of premium vehicles in Britain. The group
Oh my
also
God.
operates design centers in London and Paris, and one of the world's largest e-learning company in UK, Germany and Switzerland. Tata employs around 60,000 people
Oh
in
my
Europe
god.
and is also UK's biggest industrial employer. To end it all, Tatas also own a relatively small
India
company
everywhere.
called British
Tatas
Salt
everywhere.
in the UK. An Indian company owns British Salt. Quite ironic if one remembers Gandhi's Salt March carried out against the British Raj only 88 years ago. Now let's travel all the way to Sydney, Australia. Here in Sydney, TCS began its first operations in Australia, and now the company operates across Australia and New Zealand with over 10,000 employees and clients like Qantas, Telstra, and Commonwealth Bank. Tatas also own popular Australian coffee machine brand MAP and operate data centers across Australia through their partnership with NextDC. The group also holds stake in Scarborough Downs coal project in Queensland, Australia. Finally, we have reached Asia. Let's start in the desert sands of the Middle East. Tata's Range
Okay, let's
Rover
go.
is one of the most sought after four-wheel drives in the region. Tata Motors is also a leader in the medium and heavy commercial vehicle segment in
That's
GCC
huge.
countries. While TCS has
But-
multiple offices in the Middle East, including an all-women IT services center in Riyadh, Saudi Arabia. The group also owns Titan watches, our leading brand in Oman
Fancy.
and Bahrain. They also own logistics company in UAE and the luxurious city hotel Taj Dubai near popular landmarks like
Taj.
Palm Jumeirah. Finally, Voltas, Tata's leading air conditioning
Always
brand,
Taj.
has completed major mechanical and air conditioning projects that include Burj Khalifa, Dubai, international airports in UAE and
Oh
Bahrain,
my god.
Ferrari Experience, and F1 racetrack in Abu Dhabi. Southeast Asia. From deserts of UAE, we will move to South Korea. Here, Tata owns South Korea's second largest heavy commercial vehicle manufacturer, Tata Daewoo. In Singapore, Tata Steel Plant is the largest single cut and bent steel operations worldwide, while the group is also the largest producer of long steel products in Thailand. Tatas
crazy.
also own stake in oil and gas blocks and coal reserves in Indonesia and are developing power generation projects in Myanmar and Vietnam, and even operate a life sciences research company and own plantations in Singapore and Indonesia. Even Tata's Voltas has executed engineering projects like New Hong Kong International Airport and Cyberport Business Park in Hong Kong, China. Here,
Beautiful.
TCS has 6 global delivery centers. Tata's own 2 rolling mills, a refractories factory, an auto parts factory, green tea manufacturing plant, and also
Tea,
have a Jaguar Land Rover
Jaguar,
assembly plant.
Taj, tea, coffee.
We have reached South Asia, the beautiful and scenic Maldives. Here we will find
Maldives.
the lush Taj coral reef with white sands and scenic view. Moving ahead to Sri
Ooh.
Lanka, Taj owns the picturesque Taj Bentota
Taj.
and 2 more hotels in Colombo. Tatas also
Taj.
provide telecommunication services in Nepal and
I
Sri
really
Lanka
want to go to Maldives.
and have even deployed a hydro project in Bhutan. After our long world tour, we have finally reached India. Here, TCS is the largest Indian company.
TCS becomes the first Indian company to hit $100 billion in market cap.
Tata Motors is a leader
My
in
God.
commercial vehicles segment. Titan Company is India's largest manufacturer of branded watches. Tata has also run largest jewelry store chain Tanishq. While their Tata Power is India's largest integrated power company, Tatas also own steel plants, tea plantations,
Tea.
automobile manufacturing units, chemical factories,
Autos.
and even own mobile networks and DTH company Tata Sky. Not only that, they operate airline Vistara and also manufacture defense helicopters and equipments. Even Starbucks in India is jointly owned by the Tatas. Tata has
Oh my
not only
God.
created a massive business empire
I'm not a
but
huge fan
also
of
multiple
Starbucks.
social institutions like cancer treatment centers, mathematics and science research institutes, and also the first planned industrial city of India, Jamshedpur.
Oh wow.
66%
Ooh.
of the group shares are held by a charity trust. Across the world, the company has been involved in multiple social programs. Tata is
Good,
truly
right?
an
At
incredible
least this.
company and has traveled a long way from Mumbai
With a
to
lot
be
of
now
money,
present
please
all
do some
across the
social
world.
work.
All I can say is
Help people.
this is Tata's business empire.
The song behind it, it's great. Like, it's so classic. I already knew that Tata's is huge, like you cannot deny it. But it was crazy to know that Tata is here in Brazil, and I think that nobody knows. I didn't know, and I don't think much people know about it. But I hope that some tea would come because I really miss chai, and it's not the same thing doing it here in Brazil and in India. So please bring some masala tea to Brazil. And it's crazy, like it's everywhere, they do everything, and it's good to know they do some social work, and they probably should do more. Yes, they already know do like help to develop the world and get jobs to the people. This is awesome already, but if you have a lot of money, it's good to do some social work. So that was the video. I was already impressed, and I got more impressed for Tata's company. Do you work for Tata's? Like, do you like Tata, or do you think that it's not a good thing, or it's a good thing to India? Let me know, and I see you next video. Okay, take care. Namaste. Namaskar.